Yo, what it do, guys? I'm back again. Well, I wanted to show y'all one of my power tools, right? If you notice, this right here is, yep, ChatGPT. Those that use him, right? This is a paid version, of course. You see Sora is in here too, right? Yeah. But anyway, so I just wanted to show y'all one aspect of ChatGPT that I really, really like. You know, like I said, this power tool is amazing, but most people don't know how to use it properly. So, just want to give y'all a quick scoop on this one, right quick. Have anybody ever heard of projects? ChatGPT got projects. Right there, you see it? Projects. You see the plus sign right there? Projects. And there go the plus sign. Boom. So now you can go in here and you can name whatever project you want to do. Like, for instance, I'm going to show you one of my projects. See this one right here? 125K business funding strategy. So this is a project. You know what I'm saying? So I can go in here and work. You see what I mean? But the reason why I said I wanted to tell y'all about projects, it's more to it than you see. You say, oh, it's just a title and a file up there. Yeah, it's more to it than that. Let me show you one thing right quick. All right, let me go to all of my projects. Right, see all of these projects. I'm gonna go to this project in particular. See this project right here, pre-litigation disputes, right? If you notice, you'll see instructions, which is the system instructions just for this project. And then you'll notice project files, 4 of them. That's just for this project. What are those files? Well, I was able to, go listen to some YouTubes. Well, I didn't listen to them all the way. You know what I'm saying? I seen that they had good information, especially those seminars, that's in my class. But anyway, I was able to take and put those things on YouTube and transcribe them and make a brain for this particular project, pre-litigation disputes. So this is like 4 classes in, I think like the FCRA law, or no, I'm sorry, the red one is going to be the credit reporting resource guide, and then the other is just straight up knowledge out of the courses. But anyway, yeah, guys, I just wanted y'all to check this thing out, man. It's pretty cool. I mean, you can just go in here, like this is one of the, you can click on it right here. Well, so you can go ahead and just start typing whatever you want to. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can say, what are some of your resources that I can use? Just give me like a bullet point list. So I'll do it just like that. And I love to be able to, just, talk this stuff. You don't have to really type. Dictation is beautiful. I love it. But anyway, let's go ahead and enter. Watch this. Gotta have that paid version, guys. Gotta have it. Boom. So it's showing what's the knowledge that it has. Master classes, okay. What else it's got? Okay. Compliance. Alright. It's got some NCLC and the Metro 2. The reporting resource guide, right? And it's got utilities. So, hey, listen, man. I told you, man. These tools, this is just one part of ChatGPT that I actually use. There's other parts that's off the chain. But I don't want to make this thing long, drawn out. Just wanted to give y'all something quick. I said I'm going to give y'all tools every day or whenever I get a chance. Well, I got a chance right now, but they still messing with me. So, hey, I love y'all guys. Stay tuned. I'm Ron from Beyond AI Solutions. We're all about tech, all about keeping it real. And if y'all don't know who I am, neighborhood AI guru. See you soon.